while some viewers expressed dissatisfaction with Ahsoka's first season conclusion, which left many of the show's most pressing questions unanswered. Viewers of the Clone Wars were treated to a stunning revelation when Balin's skull was spotted perched atop a statue of the Mortis gods. Prior to their demise, the ones, hence the name, were godlike entities that were thousands of years old and living examples of the balance of the Force. We have already discussed their significance to the larger Star Wars mythology. The Son, the Dark, and the Father, the equilibrium between the light and dark parts of the Force, stood tall atop Peridea, but the daughters, the light, statue had fallen. It might signify something different from what we initially thought, or it might be a sign of what has occurred in the larger galaxy. Balin's skull is drawn to something or someone. It might be the mother. Yet in the Clone Wars, we witness the son murder Ahsoka Tano as part of his scheme to get away from his father's close supervision. Though Anakin Skywalker begged the latter to bring his Padawan back to life, the daughter, who was also slain by her brother, was the one who used her essence to revive Ahsoka. The owl that Ahsoka sees in the epilogue is actually Morai, the daughter's avatar, whom the former Jedi last encountered in the World Between Worlds episode of Star Wars Rebels. Ahsoka has purportedly overcome her internal darkness since her reunion with Anakin, and this means that she will take the daughter's position. Given their conflicting natures, Skull or even Anakin might take the father's position, and the son will be represented by Shin Hati, or Sabine Wren if she succumbs to the dark side as Ahsoka previously feared. Given their relationship and the idea of the beloved former Jedi becoming a god in Star Wars, Ahsoka seems like the natural choice to fulfill the daughter's position in the galaxy. Well, what a final, or beginning, to her narrative that would be. We'll have to wait and see what occurs for the time being. Ahsoka is a story that takes place after the collapse of the Empire and follows Ahsoka Tano, a former Jedi Knight, as she looks into a new threat that may affect a weak galaxy. Aside from Rosario Dawson in a lead role, the series also features Natasha Liu Bordizzo as Sabine Wren, Mary Elizabeth Winstead as Hera Syndulla, Ivana Sakno as Shin Hati, Diana Lee Inosanto as Morgan Elsbeth, David Tennant as Hu Yang, Lars Mikkelsen as Grand Admiral Thrawn, and Imanis Fandi in an appearance as Ezra Bridger. Ray Stevenson passed away in 1997. Dave Filoni, who executive produces Ahsoka with Jon Favreau, Kathleen Kennedy, Colin Wilson, and Carrie Beck, wrote the screenplay. Filoni, Steph Green, Rick Famuyiwa, Jennifer Getzinger, Geeta Vasant Patel, and Peter Ramsey are among the directors.